Hi, how you doing?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Doing great, thank you. My name is Ali. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Ali.
So, where are you from?
I'm from Ivory Coast.
I'm from Tajikistan. It's in Central Asia.
Wow, I love Central Asian cuisine. I recently tried it and loved it.
Interesting. What specifically have you tried?
I've tried a few different dishes, but my favorite is the lamb dumplings.
I love the dumplings too. They're amazing.
Yes, they are really good. I'm looking to make friends and practice speaking English together. I recently met Ali, who is from Tajikistan and also trying to learn English. We are having a chat over Zoom to catch up and practice our English.
And I'm very glad that we're doing this. I also am not good at in grammar, and I want to practice my speaking skills. So I hope you can help me with those too.
Of course, I'll be happy to help you with your grammar. I'm supportive of your initiative to learn English.
Great, great. Well, it was nice to meet you. Thank you.
Nice to meet you too, thank you.